In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Drive video without a download option. Sometimes you'll open a video in Google Drive and notice that the usual download button is missing or disabled. This often happens when the file owner has restricted downloading, or when you're viewing the file through a shared link with limited permissions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a straightforward way to still save that video to your computer using only your browser. We're not installing any shady software, and we're not using any third-party websites. Just your browser and a bit of patience. First, open the Google Drive video you want to save in your browser, and make sure it's actually playing. Let it start for a few seconds so Google Drive fully loads the streaming file. This is important because what we're going to do is grab the video stream that your browser is already receiving in order to play it. Next, right-click anywhere on the page that isn't on the video controls, and choose the option that opens your browser's developer tools. In most browsers, you can also press a function key or a shortcut like Ctrl+Shift+I or Command+Option+I. Don't worry if this looks technical. We're only using one small part of it. Inside the developer tools, look for the Network tab. This tab shows every file your browser is loading for the page. If you don't see anything yet, click the little record or circle icon to start capturing network activity. Then reload the page or briefly refresh the video. Let the video play again for a few seconds. Now, in the Network tab, use the filter box and type M3U8 or Video Playback. These are common names for streaming video files that Google Drive uses. You should see one or more entries appear that are much larger in size than the others. Click on the largest one, then open the Headers or Details section on the right. There you'll find a full URL that points directly to the video stream. Select that entire URL, copy it, and open it in a new browser tab. In many cases, the video will now load as a raw file or start downloading automatically. If it opens in the browser player, just use your browser's built-in save or download option to store it on your device. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Google Drive video even when the usual download button isn't available, using only tools built right into your browser.